Alright, now we have been hearing a lot about Samsung Galaxy phones, OneUI 7, OneUI 8, the new Galaxy Edge being launched in the next few days. But did you know that there is a lot happening in the Samsung's wearable department as well? I'm talking about the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 and the OneUI 8 watch or the OneUI Watch 8. We are going to see a brand new Galaxy Watch 8 series probably in the next couple of months, and we'll also be seeing a brand new version of OneUI Watch which is bringing many changes. Android Authority has reported that they have spotted plenty of new details about the Galaxy Watch 8 and the Watch 8 Classic. Yes, this year we are expecting the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the regular Galaxy Watch 8 versions, and along with this there may be a Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra as well. We are not very sure about that yet. As you can see in these images, the Galaxy Watch 8 is codenamed as Fresh 8 and this is in squircle shape. So now Samsung is ditching that circle shaped watches and adopting this new design language of the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, which has got this squircle shape. And you can also see the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic image here. It is also in the same shape, and we can see that thicker bezel there, and that could be a rotating bezel right on the squircle shaped frame. So we are going to see a fresh design for the regular Galaxy Watch 8 as well as the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. And on this image you can see it says Project X2 Galaxy Watch Ultra. So we may see Galaxy Watch Ultra as well this year, but generally this doesn't happen. We don't see the classic version as well as the Ultra versions launching together, but let's wait and see that. Now you can see on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, along with the two regular buttons that we also have a quick button similar to Galaxy Watch Ultra. And as per Android Authority, the Classic might come with a single size, which might be disappointing for some of you out there with the smaller wrist sizes. But the regular versions of the Galaxy Watch 8 will come with two different sizes, which could be 40 and 44 mm. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer the squircle shape on your Galaxy Watch? Drop a comment. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in watching these kind of contents. I regularly post videos about the Samsung Galaxy phones, Galaxy watches, and anything related to technology. Go ahead, subscribe, give this video a like, and do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The link is in the description. Now the next exciting news is about the OneUI Watch 8. There are some very cool new features which have been leaked. Samsung this time is adopting a new design language, which may be a welcome change. As we saw, the new upcoming watches are going to be in squircle shape, and the icons on OneUI Watch 8 will also resemble the squircle shape of the watch. As you can see, these are the new icons which are expected to arrive on OneUI 8 watch, and they are all in squircle shape. All this while we had these round shaped icons which match the round frames of the Galaxy regular watches, and now Samsung wants to match the design language here. Next, Android Authority has also reported that there is a new app which will be launched by Samsung on the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 called Shortcuts. What this app is going to do is it will let us add app shortcuts directly on the watch's home screen. We don't really have to go to the app drawer to access your frequently used applications. You can set these app shortcuts right on the home screen in two different sizes, 2x2 and 2x4. The 2x2 is in capsule design, which looks cool, but the 2x4 design looks a bit weird. I think the background shape could have been slightly different, but anyways, this is what we are seeing right now. Let's hope Samsung redesigns the background on 2x4 widget. Next, we have got some new tiles which are leaked. Jervin on X has shared these widgets, or let's say tiles. You can see these tiles in different sizes. We have got heart rate tile, we have got water intake tile, calendar tile. They all have got a refreshed design now, and this cool animation for the health widget looks just amazing, and I would love to see these kind of widgets on the upcoming OneUI 8. Let's hope Samsung implements this animation on many more tiles. Now if you want to take a look at the entire list of tiles here, you can head to samiguru.com. All the refreshed tiles are available to see there. Android Authority has also shared the brand new charging animation on OneUI Watch 8, and you can also see the comparison video here. On the left hand side you can see OneUI Watch 6 charging animation, and on the right hand side OneUI 8 charging animation, which looks exactly similar to the charging animation on the Galaxy phones. Next, we have got some more leaks about the Gemini on OneUI Watch 8. Android Authority has found more details about this. They are saying that the Wear OS will support Gemini Actions, allowing the AI assistant to perform actions across different applications, and the Gemini will be able to summarize emails, make calendar changes, and more, something similar to how it performs on the Galaxy phones. Next big thing that is coming to OneUI 8 is the Now bar. Like we have seen the now bar on the Galaxy phones, we are going to see now bar on the Galaxy watches as well. Again, full credit goes to Android Authority in sharing this information. As you can see on this image, the now bar is right there at the bottom of the screen, and it will be right there on top of the watch face, which means that you don't really have to get inside the watch to access some important information. You will have AI and a few more applications linked to the now bar on the watch face itself, and you'll be able to access some important information. It could be sports scores, it could be clock running in the background, your health application running in the background, maps in the background, media controls, and we may also have Now Brief on the Galaxy Watch 8 and some contextual suggestions as well. So yes, the Now Bar and Now Brief, which have been integral part of OneUI 7 on the Galaxy phones, will arrive on the Galaxy Watch 8 on the OneUI Watch 8 as well. And we can also see the new Samsung Internet application on OneUI Watch 8. We have already seen the brand new Samsung Internet application from OneUI 8 on the Galaxy phones. Likewise, we will see a brand new internet application on the Galaxy Watch, and you can see a couple of tiles here from the Samsung Internet. Are you excited for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 and the OneUI Watch 8? Do drop a comment and let me know. Share your thoughts, share your opinions. Let's discuss in the comments section. That's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you have already hit that subscribe button and given a like to this video. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, do that. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.